In this video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Microsoft account in SKLauncher. So as you can see right here, we're currently under the SKLauncher. You can do those by going to skmedics.pl and you can see right here this. So this is what it looks like. So what we can do is we can head over and click on the sign in option. And once you have done that, you can see that we have the option to sign in using our Discord or using our email and password. As you have noticed, there's no option to log in with your Microsoft account. However, if you have an account with @onmicrosoft.com at the end of it, you can head over and definitely use that account right here. So for example, we have this particular account, that's at onmicrosoft.com. You can proceed to use this particular email that you have with this particular extension. Then after that, input right here the password that you wish to use. And after this, head over and click on sign in if you already have an account registered under these credentials. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.